Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can add Instagram Reels to your gallery, so let's get right into it. Now, for Reels that are not your own, you can add them to your gallery, depending on if the owner or the poster of that reel has enabled that option or no. So to check that, you can go on the reel and up to the top right next to the follow button and next to the account name, just click on the ellipses or the three buttons. And as you can see, there is no download option here, so the owner of this reel did not allow it. What you can do, enter the full reel view and you can screen record it easily, and that's pretty much the only way to add other reels to your gallery if you did not post those same reels. However, if you did post them, you can just go to your account and go into either the reels section or the post section or this grid, click on the reels that you want and click on the top right. And as you can see, you have the option to turn downloading on or off. Just turn it on and then you just need to view the reel in full. And then once it is in full screen, once you click on it and it opens up as the full reel view, you can very easily go click on the ellipses in the bottom right, then click on manage. Then what you need to do, if downloading is on, you can turn it on or off from this menu as well. Once it's on, you can very easily just download it at the bottom of the screen or the bottom of the menu right above archive. Just click download and it'll be added to your gallery. As you can see, now it says downloading and now it is downloaded after that is gone. Now let me just try something. If I turn off downloading and then go into manage, I don't have, or I still have the downloading option myself, because reel owners can download them very freely at any moment. However, if you turn on downloading, anybody else will also be able to download your reels, and I'm pretty sure it is off by default, so you can keep that like that if you want, if you don't want anyone else to download your videos. But that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.